Okay. It's like the most windiest day I've ever been. I mean, dang. Can you see the rain? Yes. There's like a lot of rain coming down. This is Jordan right now. Yeah, I can see the rain, right? It's like the windiest day ever. I mean, I've never seen anyone faster than this. There's like cars passing by. And I don't think they even know. That's like the windiest day. Camera's not getting wet because I'm under a roof. Ceiling. It's like so windy and rainy right now. So much. Like usually when it's like very little, there is no rain. Like you can't. Oh God! I can't see this, but there is a lot of rain right now. Let's see if we can focus into the rain. Oh my God! Look at that. Whew. Look at that right there. It's all right there. Dang. It's like the windiest day ever and the rainiest. We had a lot of rainstorms, but I don't think any of them have as much as this. I think they have. There's like 2 huge rainstorms in 2 days that still went on for about 2 days. I guess it's like all those hurricanes that came in. There's like 4 or 3 of them that came in.
Ooh, it's windy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, how about that?
Hi. Hi, Dad.
Hi, everybody.
It's like one of the rainiest and windiest day at the same time.
I haven't seen a video like this.
Whoa. There's gonna be a lot of accidents.
Yes, a lot of them. With the rain and the wind and everything blowing on the road and everything, it's gonna be pretty bad.
UPS truck.
Yep.
Saw that UPS truck and had like all this rain on it.
Really?
Coming out from the back.
Oh my God.
There's gonna be a lot of mosquitoes after this.
Oh yeah. There was already a bunch of mosquitoes.
I know.
Let me charge this phone.
Okay. Wow. It's horrible out here. Well, it's like heat waves at the same time when it's raining. Hey there. See that? It looks like fog, but it's actually rain. Fog and rain. Look at the grass. Watch. It's gonna move a lot when it's windy. It's Jordan. It's like the rainiest day at the same time. Windy and rainy at the same time. Last time it rained, my umbrella broke off. Yeah, like the thing just broke. And like the wind. Whoa, look at that, look at that. Wow. It's getting harder. Look at the fence. Dang. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's very windy. Whoa. You can see this part. Look at that. Oh my God. These aren't even clouds. I don't even know what they are. Look at that tree move. I mean, there must be a lot of kids playing outside right now. But Dad isn't gonna let me, and I don't really want to play out here. I'm afraid I might drown. Oh, it's all too wet. Oh my God. Whoa. Ah. We're getting closer. Gotta move back. Back here, there we go. Wow, it's getting harder and harder every second. There's like 4 hurricanes at the same time that just went. Well, not here, but because this sent them. Like at other places. And all evaporated water went in the skies and then precipitated. And then here it goes. Why does it have to go to San Antonio? Let's go. Oh, I feel much better. Dang. Look at that. Wow. It's getting so red. I mean, it's like a desert. First it gets all watery, and all of a sudden, it turns into dry. Oh my God. It's getting harder. It's getting harder. It's getting harder. It's getting harder. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wanted to get some sponsors today for my fans. Oh my God. Oh my God. Too many. Oh wow. It's like the hardest part of the hurricane or something. I mean, why does it have to be windy? It could just be rainy. Why it have to be like that? So redonkulous. Oh my God. It's like the rainiest day ever. It's here tonight. Okay. Yeah, it's like mud on lens right now. Like, not that lens. This lens, like the one I'm looking through. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. Too much. Too much. Oh, this freaking rain. What is hell? Flood. Look at that. It's already muddy. Like, oh my God. All of that already. I wish I could just see outside, like, through the fence back there. See that. Oh, I know where to go. Goodbye. Okay. Whoa.
Hi.
Hi, Dad.
Let's shut that off real quick, okay?
Huh?
Let's shut that off real quick and put it away.
Okay. I still had to videotape that.
Yeah, it's bad out there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. We need to clean all that dirty street. Those dirty things do.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that's kind of scary, huh?
I know. Okay.
Want to take a picture of the radar?
The radar? Yeah.
Let's see what kind of storms we're getting right now. Okay. Let's go here. We'll see what we got. Ooh, that doesn't look good at all.
Oh my god.
Let's see which way it's going, okay?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. See, there we are right there.
Wow. This is gonna be long.
It's going to be long until it gets right there. Hopefully it'll go away.
San Antonio right there.
Wow.
All of that.
Let's see what this one says.
Wow, that's a big part of rain.
Oof. That
Oh,
don't
God.
look good.
Like it's covering the whole town.
Mm-hmm.
It's going all the way from San Antonio to, what was that?
Let's see if I can do this one, huh?
San Antonio
Go
to
this way.
Victoria. All that. Oh my god.
Okay.
It's gonna keep on. Oh wow. It's a lot. It's gonna keep on going. Must have been all those hurricanes, right, Dad?
Yeah. Oh, it could be some stuff from the hurricane, yeah?
Yeah, because like you can evaporate it and then
I think so.
all the clouds come over here.
Let's see. If we're right, here's 90. We're right here, so we're just getting some of it right there. Looks like it's going that way. Let's see which way it's storm tracking. Okay, it's going that way.
Wow.
Wow.
How did they figure out this again?
Doppler radar.
Oh. Looks like camouflage.
Right?
Hmm.
And here we are right here. It's 90, and we're right here.
Dang.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot.
Okay.
Well, let's see what's in the backyard now. Well, it's still so hard. It's getting much harder. And harder and harder. Well, gotta go, everybody. Wait. I think I can see. No, we can't see. I can see it in my eyes, but this lens. It's so dirty. Because you still can't see the puddles out there. Wow. Well, gotta go. Bye, everybody.